Kasi ako, for me, as much as possible, I don't give that attitude sa set or sa shoot kasi ang photographer nag-set ng tone eh.
Yeah.
So if bad trip ka, bad trip na yung buong shoot.
Oh, yeah.
So parang as much as possible, kahit bad trip na ako, kahit nakita na nilang lahat, I try my best. I mean, moody ako eh. Pero I try my best na hindi talaga. Pero, I mean, it happens. Pero, I don't know, maybe right now nga, I feel like, I mean, I've been asking people, kamusta naman yung name ko sa industry?
Oh, yeah,
May
exactly,
mga
right?
ganun
Because there will always be feedback.
Pero talaga, I mean, medyo mabango ang name ko sa industry. I mean, yun ang feedback ko. Mabango, professional, on time. Pero syempre, minsan namimili ng kausap.
Okay,
Hindi pa maiisip yun. Minsan hindi naman mawawala. Ay, admittedly, minsan may namimili ako. Pero as much as possible, I'd be friendly with it. Kasi sometimes hindi mo malaman, minsan maging boss mo na yun.
Exactly, right? Yeah. You'll never know. Like, this PA is, in the future, is going to be the editor in